How to connect Midi to Bandlab. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you will learn how to connect your Midi controller to Bandlab on both desktop and mobile platforms. Whether you're using a USB or Bluetooth device, I'll guide you through the process step by step. To connect Midi to Bandlab, you can follow these steps depending on the device and setup you're using. Bandlab supports Midi input via web version and via mobile apps. Let's get started. Part 1. Connecting a Midi controller on desktop. 1. Connect your Midi device. Plug your Midi controller into your computer using a USB cable. 2. Open Bandlab in your browser. Navigate to bandlab.com and log into your account. 3. Create a new project. Click on Create and select New Project to start. 4. Add an instrument track. Click Add Track and choose Instruments to add a virtual instrument track. 5. Select your Midi device. Click the gear icon on the instrument track to open settings. Under Midi input, select your connected Midi controller. 6. Test your setup. Place some notes on your Midi controller to ensure it's working correctly. 7. Record and edit. Press the record button to start capturing your performance. You can edit your Midi notes in the piano roll as needed. Part 2. Connect your Midi controller on mobile. Connect your Midi controller to your mobile device. For USB controllers, use a USB adapter to connect your Midi controller to your smartphone or tablet. For Bluetooth controllers, pair your Midi controller with your mobile device via Bluetooth settings. 2. Open the Bandlab app. Launch the Bandlab app on your mobile device and sign in. 3. Start a new project. Tap the More button to create a new project, and then repeat the same steps as on the desktop to complete your setup. And that's it. You successfully connect your Midi controller to Bandlab on both desktop and mobile. Now you're ready to create and record your musics. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this.